This is David with Organic Themes, and I'm going to show you how to change the logo in the STAX WordPress theme. So here you can see we have the STAX theme already installed with our demo content. I'm just going to go to the WordPress admin. I'm going to navigate to Appearance Editor. This will open up our full site editor. Okay, so now you could go about changing the logo by just clicking here on the editor and then clicking on the header block until you see the primary logo displayed and the secondary logo displayed. And this is so that when we scroll, the secondary logo will appear on the white background. Now we're going to need to change both of these logos, but instead of doing this, I'm going to change it in the template parts instead. So I'm going to go to manage all the template parts. So you might have to click up a few levels here within the editor and then find the area where it says design and click on template parts. Now this will show that we have two headers within the STAX theme. We have the default header and we have the header transparent. So this is the header that displays transparently on top of a background. So we're going to change this one first. Click on that. And we'll click onto the block. I'll remove this secondary logo because I just have one logo that I'm going to add. So I already have this one uploaded. I'm going to select this. And the size doesn't look quite right, so I'm going to just increase the size here a little bit. I'll save this. Now this will update it for our transparent background here. You can see the logo has been updated. However, it hasn't been updated for our pages that have the header as an opaque background. So we need to update it for this header part as well. So we'll go to the editor again. We'll go back to manage all template parts. And I'm going to click on the header as well. I'll update it for this one. Change logo. Select it. Make sure our size is the same. I'll save this as well. And now if I go back to our demo and I update this page, you can see the logo has been updated for these page templates as well. So now it's updated on the pages that have a transparent header, and it's updated on the pages that have a solid header. And there you have it.